Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to select the nearest points using the distance matrix tool in QGIS. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So say you have a data set of points and you want to find the nearest 10 points, 100 points, whatever nth point that is. You could do that in QGIS by using the distance matrix tool. So what I'm going to do is actually create some random points. We'll select a target point, and then we'll select a certain amount of points around that. So let's go ahead in our toolbox. I'm going to type in random points. So random points in the extent. So my extent is going to be use the current canvas. Number of points, I'm going to say 1,000. Okay, and I'm just going to keep this as a temporary layer. This is just for demonstration purposes. So here are my 1,000 points within my canvas. And one of these points, I'm actually going to change it to like a subject point, something to base that the selection off of. So what I'll do is select it. I'm going to export select a feature as, and I'll just put like in a temporary folder here. I'll call it my location, and I'll say OK, and I'll make that just a little bit larger here so it's just a little easier to kind of see here. Okay, so let's say I want the closest 20 points around this my location right here. So what I'm going to do is in the processing toolbox, I'm going to type distance matrix, and here it is. And what I'll do first is my input layer is my random points. My target layer is, my location's input point layer. The target point layer is the random points. And I want to do, say, the 20 points nearest. And of course, if I wanted to keep this file, I could export this somewhere. Right now it's defaulted to temporary layer. I could just click this down arrow and save the file to my particular directory. So let's go and run that and close, and you can see right here are my points. So we have all 20, and just to double check, here are the 20 points here. So I hope you guys found this useful. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to put that down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.